happy 3-3 portal, my beautiful people. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for the fellow subscribers that are here since the beginning. Thank you for the new welcome on this platform where we activate your soul, activate your dormant DNA, help you align with your highest timeline, help you release and clear your traumas, your addiction, breaking free. Happy 3-3 portal. Happy eclipse, lunar blood eclipse. They are casting spell on fears. I am going to light a white candle because I want to empower you. I want to offer a safe container, a space, a sacred space for you, for your manifestation, for your heart's desire. Let me tell you that I'm going to call upon the divine white light. I've been praying on this candle before, and I am fully ready to give you now the chance to accelerate and to boost your deepest wish. I want you to close your eyes, please. And I want you to get relaxed. I want you to remember what you've been through. I want you to remember that everything happened for a reason. I want you to remember how powerful, brave, and courageous you've been. I want you to know that today, this 3-3 portal is going to close the chapter that's been very intense, difficult for your soul. The karmic cycles are ending for you to take your place, position on this universe, fully activating your uniqueness. I want you to think to what it is that you truly want to achieve, accomplish within the next 3 to 6 months. And I'm going to call upon Andromeda, helping me, boosting, accelerating at the speed of light, creating a tunnel, creating a light tunnel for your wish to be carried at the deep core of this universe, connecting to Mother Gaia, making sure your wish is being rooted, connecting to your Earth Star chakra and your Soul Star chakra. Akoromu vezi otara akuma adara ia saraki otarakuma. Ikerio kunono dogura anara ia amunra iko sununu we areo kututuku amunra ia sakara kindi asara ua atra orus rahdiki mika sia tu kuruma asara. Invoking the moon today and the sun today. Wahseki kanto yoruma atara ia tara ia tara kumukutukiri ia tara kandra atra, activating your wealth, DNA property, connecting to the 9th dimension. Accelerating and boosting, anchoring your wish now. si Luyaka Unakareia Sumaya Wanaya Soko activating the golden rose codex. I'm the AC are fully within you. What a making sure your wish is protecting with the 26 dimension shield, and the golden tiki, and the shield all around you. Ikokona, aitiki ara amakoto uba esi ana ata akututu una oto ora oto uma adara iya koto kuma atraya suma sa iat kuma ata. I'm seeing rainbow. Magnificent. I am so honored and grateful to be here with you today. Thank you for sharing a piece of your path with me today. Thank you for your trust and your love and your support. Thank you for being here, investing in yourself. I am so thrilled to announce you that my latest project is online. You can now access it from my website. You've been asking for a very long time if I could make a session for light workers only. And it's not by random if this is happening today. It's a very powerful day, and more than ever, you are needed. This session has been co-created with a very powerful healer. Yusuf from Fill Up With Light is the most powerful healer I know to clear your soul. And I have been designed by the Most High to activate your dormant DNA. This session has been designed to heal you and activate you fully for you to embody your soul purpose. It's an acceleration. It's a booster. You need now to invest in yourself more than ever. Ora ketia na tara aku turukuma azara iya saraya sumu kutu uwa atara i zoko uwo uma ora como this message is going to find you. Uka ukumoro uwa atara iya sara iya anski iya oturukuma asa ikatra imike si itria. This is very important. I'm connecting to the Council of Light right now. You will know if this message is for you. Check my website now. Galactic language, light language. This is designed also to activate your gift, talents, and abilities. Light language, this is your divine protection. This is celebration. You are about to step into the new you. You're so loved. Until next time, namaste.